State health officials are getting creative when it comes to getting more accurate COVID positivity rates. A newly unveiled program will place COVID testing centers inside of airports and welcome centers all across the state to make testing more convenient for people who are traveling in and out of the state.
Two peaks that we're going to see here in the next few months. One, the returning of the snowbirds, so coming back from Arizona and Florida. I think you'll see it utilized in that regard. And then as we get into our peak summer season, where we see a lot of tourists come in.
Kevin Klein of Cherry Capital Airport in Traverse City says back in 2019, almost 600,000 travelers used the airport. Those numbers were down in 2020, but Klein is hoping a new program organized by the state to offer free COVID testing will attract more people because it makes them feel safer. Right now, the state has opened up 3 COVID rapid testing sites in 2 welcome centers and 1 airport. Cherry Capital is that airport. Dr. Natasha Bagdarassian says one of the big reasons that Michigan is now offering this service is because people are not getting tested as much as they were when the pandemic started. Bagdarassian says the state is trying to set these new testing sites up where people are entering and leaving.
And we're hoping that by doing that, our testing numbers go up again. And the reason we want to do that is the more cases we detect and the earlier we detect cases, we can act faster. We can prevent those cases from turning into outbreaks.
Testing trailers are being placed at welcome centers, but some airports will have multiple locations inside them. Klein says it's a good formula paired up with the other precautions airports are taking to keep everyone healthy.
All of this system combined is what's going to have the traveler return to flying. And that's what we want to do, is travel safely. And I think it's a great tool in the toolbox.
Okay, great. A Department of Health and Human Services official says anyone who tests positive at one of these sites will be asked to quarantine and to follow up to get another test done. Your neighborhood Capitol Beat reporter, Erica Murphy, Fox 47 News.